Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. And we have a fantastic week ahead with our writing plan. And I'm just going to send it right over to Victoria to get us started. Victoria?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to week 2 in our cycle. And I have to say, thank you, everyone who reached out to me about the zero draft and asked questions and made comments. I was actually really shocked at how much interest there was. So, with that being the case, I have collected a few of your questions, and I'm just going to continue where we left off last week. So, I will pick up at the zero draft process, and then I will take you a little bit further into that process and break down some more of those pieces so that you see at a bigger picture level how you can use that draft to launch you right into the writing process. So stick around, come back tomorrow because it's going to be really cool. So Kathleen, take it away.
All right. Oh, I'm looking forward to that, Victoria. I really enjoyed your presentation on the zero draft. Well, in my side of the world, we have completed an entire unit. We have now visited all 28 of the character traits in all 4 of the groups. And now we are launching a brand new unit on how do we use these things? Okay, now we've seen them. How do we figure out what character traits our characters have? How do we record them? What do we do with them? And we'll get into that, the beginnings of that tomorrow when we go into a little bit more detail in the map, because we're going to be launching into the character profile diagram, what it looks like, and we're going to be learning our first position on the character profile, and then we're going to talk a little bit about how on earth do you figure out what character traits, the character that you've got walking around inside your head, having conversations and getting into all sorts of mischief, what character traits does he have? He's alive in your brain. How could you categorize him? And then, third unit, what can you do with that once you know their character traits? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. That's all you get right now is a sneak peek for today, because we'll talk an awful lot more about it tomorrow in the map. Anything to add, Victoria?
No, this is going to be so exciting. That's my favorite part, is when we get to the diagrams and we start toggling things around to figure these characters out. So this is going to be fun.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.